Guys, Miguel here. Quick video. This one is on how to restart a Rena filter. I was cleaning the tank and one of these guys came loose above the water line. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take one of my vacuums. I've got one with the hose off stuck in the hole, and I'm just gonna fill it. There it is. And then when it goes down all the way, I will put the cap back on and it should start right up. There you go. And that is a fast way to start up the Rena filter. Thanks for watching.